There is a non-uniform police officer, his call record should be immediately investigated. His wealth needs to be investigated. His tower locations need to be investigated, including his WhatsApp messages and chats for last 1 year needs to be investigated. And he statement आम्ही न करता, why police are not investigating this particular angle and why are they not investigating this particular in this particular direction is because the DGP knows who the real culprit is. It is just that the SP North, who is seen more in Sankiling than in headquarters, should be the one whose call records also needs to be checked. So if all these people who are investigating agencies are themselves in doubt, why should government not appoint judicial commission?
By the DGP, along with the IGP and the two SPs, definitely raised a serious doubt, a cloud of suspicion into their action of trying to give clean sheets to people. And though the Chief Minister had said no one was given a clean sheet, you understand the phrase, what is meaning of clean sheet, is when you're trying to hide names, you don't want to bring anybody else and say, oh, no one's name was said. I don't think that if these investigations are recorded properly, the names will not come out. Names are coming out, names are only not being disclosed because the statement is recorded by the police officer. And if he records, he knows what to record and what to omit to record. And that is how these statements will not give the names of more players in the game with an intention of hiding. There are people who are officers in very high ranking positions, in high ranking officials who are involved in this scam, whose names are coming out and who have taken the money for giving jobs. And we demand that this one-man commission be appointed. And if the government has nothing to fear, there is nobody involved. So this is a very happy situation for the government. You will get a letter certificate. We don't have to shout anymore. The one-man commission, inquiry commission, will give you a clean certificate and say, oh Baba, everything is fine. You are a very good people. No wait. So you clear your name and that is the end of the matter.